Alrighty, y'all, I'm going to show you how I clean my gutters, my rain gutters. I always keep them really clean so that the water flows freely. And I've already cleaned them throughout, at the beginning of this season. So I'm going to do another clean because we're going to have a rain tomorrow. So I have a Stihl, there she is, BG55. It's actually, the label's off here, but I have a Stihl BG55 blower. And I have the Stihl, hope you can read that, Stihl Rain Gutter Cleaner. You can purchase it at Stihl dealers. That's where I got mine. And it has a variation length of pipe. As you can see. See that? That's how you put it together. Flat screwdriver, that's it. So, I attach it to my blower at the end, right over there, and secure her down and blow out the gutters. It's great because you don't have to get up on a ladder. And I love this thing. So I'll show you how it works and how I put it together, and it makes quick work of any gutters. I do not have gutter guards on my gutters. I do not like them. So I just blow them out and get up there occasionally and clean the little guards that I put, the little screens that I put in the downspout area to keep the leaves out. All right, here we go, y'all. That's how easy it is to put together. So, there you go, right? Hi, buddy. Kitty cat over there wanting my attention. Right there. So, now I'll show you how this works. And again, when you put it on, I did want to point out, you want to make sure the end, oof, I don't see what you see. You want to make sure the end, which is right here, is pointed down. So that when you blow, it's in the right direction. So that's what it looks like when it's all put together. I'll give you another view. Okay, y'all, this is what it looks like when it's put together. I'll give you a long shot right there. See that? Then you start the blower and have at it. It takes literally minutes to clean out your gutter. So stay tuned for that. Here we go. What is it, Big Bird? Y'all, you want to wear safety glasses when you're doing anything like this. It blows out all sorts of debris. Mine are pretty clean, but it does. All right, Big Bird, wait a second. Yeah? That's how you clean out your gutters, or I clean out mine. But it's really efficient, really fast, and it just makes it so much easier. So there she is. You don't want to leave her hanging out there too long when you take the tube off, which I'll do right now. You want to store it upright like this so it doesn't bow. Just like that. Okay? There you have it. How to clean your gutters. Alright, I want to add a couple of things, y'all. I wear this. It's just a bandana I put over my head, as you saw me in the video. And then this hat. Just a big sun hat I wear when I DIY outside. And I do that to keep all the debris off my hair and my head, because when they're really dirty, the gutters, that stuff just blows out of there. Dirt, debris, sometimes wet leaves. And I want to mention one other thing. So here we go. When you are using this gutter attachment, I would highly advise, I don't know if you guys can see that, don't get real close to the gutters like that. The force of that air is not good for your roof. So you want to hold a little bit above. I'd hold it up at least probably 8 inches, maybe 6. You'll get an idea of how close you need to get, but I certainly would not get close like that. I hold mine above, sometimes even a foot. Pretty good volume of air comes out to blow the leaves out or whatever you have. But again, do not put it in there like that. You're going to blow your roofing up potentially, and you don't want that. Blow it up the edges. Just hold it above, go slow until you get a feel of how you want to use it and the distance you need to be away, and you'll get the hang of it. So there you go. And I have to say, I did check on I checked on Amazon, and they want $80 for this Stihl Rain Gutter Cleaner kit. Here it is, y'all. Well, I think that's too much money. $80 is too much for this. I got mine for, I think, $39.99, $40 at a local retailer, Stihl retailer. So I would shop around and look for that price. But I think it's well worth every dollar of that $40. Okay, hope it helps. There you go. And the kitty cat's back. Let's see him. Well, hello, Graybird. Do you want to say hello to the world? Hello, honey. Would you like to say hello to the world? I'm not going to get close to you. He's a little feral cat. We take care of my sister and myself. We feed him. My sister lives next door there. Hi, baby boy. That means he's hungry. And so we'll get him some food. He won't let us near him to take him to the vet. He's a little sickly all the time. So we make him beds and that sort of thing. Take care of him as best we can. Okay, baby. Is it dinner time? Great. Say hello to everybody. Say hello, Lion King. There he is. Good boy. Okay, y'all. Hope this helps. And I guess help an animal anytime you can. They depend on us, our kindness. Okay. Over and out.